I work with the Victorian Agency for Health Information, and we have some pretty sort of powerful missions around information. So one of my teams is building an information portal essentially for Victorians to ultimately be a vehicle for all Victorians, including health services, but also members of the public, to interact with their data and understand how to improve their health outcomes. So last year we were in major development mode, build mode, startup, land of the foundational pieces of our major programs, and so establish enterprise data warehouse and et cetera, et cetera. They're now in place. So my strategic challenge for the coming period, especially beyond June 2020, is to be able to reach out effectively to all the stakeholders across our many stakeholders, and engineer co-design, engineer all kinds of. I've got to manage expectations, internal, external, and drive out a kind of a strategic vision for the next 3 to 5 years, and that I can't do that by myself. I need to reach out and augment our thinking with the broader thinking that can come from being at a Gartner event. Over time, they develop an awareness of your business, its dynamic, and the people involved and personalities, and then are able to provide more useful advice. They assisted with us, the catalyst for our analytics strategy. We're an information agency, so it's a key strategic goal of ours to be a go-to agency for analytics, and just to be able to sort of kick off that strategic program in a sort of a guided way that meant that we weren't just fumbling around trying to search for the right templates or anything. We had them at our fingertips, and so we could go straight into engaging with our stakeholders. It gives me confidence knowing that I have a resource to lean on. I'm quite time poor. I have ridiculous demands in my time, typically in the office, and so I need to, in a very pointed, succinct way, I need to zone in on the things that are really important, and that's the critical enabler that I get out of the Gartner arrangements, and enabling us to optimise our resource deployment and the way our teams operate, and timely advice on some of those curly things that are you can't find them on Google. They're in the knowledge bank of Gartner.